Often, when we work for speed, we lose accuracy, or we focus on accuracy and then we lose speed. And it's not just the speed. As a dog slows down, they look a little more concerned and worried, and they don't look as happy and relaxed and confident. It's a balancing act, and that balancing act is there for the dog's entire career. This is a super important concept. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast is something I heard decades ago, and I apply it to any new skill that I'm learning and to my dogs. When he learns something, he is so slow you want to poke your eyeballs out. But that's his process because he's thinking really hard, right? And that makes total sense. When we're learning something, we can't do it fast. We have to concentrate. We're thinking. At any given point within the exercise, I'm going to mark. Once I mark, my body can do whatever it wants because now the dog is released. Because when I say yes, it means you're correct. You're done with what you're doing. You're going to get a reinforcer. He flares that left foot out. So as soon as it sticks out, it touches the stick and he tucks it in. And he's like, oh, see, I'm good. And now I can say, you're right. And I can reinforce that over and over. So the stick just helps him be right. And then I can fade the stick. If the dog is practically in front of you and you step in, it's too late. You need to step in early. And the dog then goes, oh. And I'll actually, as I step in, I'll say front, and my dog collects and fronts, all right? That helps with dogs that tend to crash into you, right? They read that, they understand, it's just pressure, they understand what it means. You see, I did it nice and early, he collected, and he sat nice and early.